If you're having trouble with your laundry machine and your clothes are looking less than clean, if your jeans are stained and covered in dirt, I've got a solution, it won't hurt. Just throw them in the washing machine with some soap and water, you know what I mean. Let it spin, let it scrub, let it agitate. Those dirty jeans, they'll come out great. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, clean them up, make them clean. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, say goodbye to stains, make them thirsty. If your tanner's faded and a little torn, and you've worn them since the day you were born, if they're covered in grass stains from a game, don't worry friend, don't feel ashamed. Just toss them in the washing machine, let it work its magic, you'll see what I mean. Add some detergent, set it to high, your dirty jeans will say goodbye. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, clean them up, make them clean. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, say goodbye to stains, make them thirsty. Don't worry about your dirty pants, the washing machine will give them a chance to be fresh and clean like they used to be. No more dirt, no more debris. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, clean them up, make them clean. Dirty jeans in the washing machine, say goodbye to stains, make them pristine. If your jeans are looking worse for wear, just remember there's no need to despair. Put them in the washing machine, let it do its thing. Your dirty jeans will come out clean.
No more worries about your dirty pants. The washing machine will give them a chance to be fresh and clean like they used to be. No more dirt, no more debris.